My name is Abby Miles, and I'm a senior at St. Joe.
My name is Kenzie Ward, and I'm a senior at St. Joe.
The day I tore my ACL was the day after our first game of the season. We were going through a drill. I was guarding my teammate, and she was coming down for a layup, and she jumped into me, and I heard my knee pop.
I've torn my ACL twice on 2 different legs.
I went to the doctor. He told me that I tore it, and I just had to come to terms with it and start rehab.
The first time I met Dr. Brian was the first time I tore my ACL. I wanted to still play without having surgery, but he said it was so bad that I couldn't. Then I just did the rehab process. He's a warm guy, so we built a relationship. And the second time, I also tried not to have a surgery, and he said that he didn't recommend me not having it. So I ended up still having surgery, going through the process, and when I got released, he was just as happy as I was. Me and Abby had therapy at the same time a lot this year, so we would all have like competitions, like plank offs and stuff like that, and just kind of push each other to be great and recover.
Not only would we be working out, but they would sometimes work out with us, which made it more fun and more engaging. When I was going into surgery, I was really nervous. Like, I've never had surgery on anything. Just listening to Kenzie's experiences, like, I was bugging her about what surgery was like the whole week before. But going into it, after they dosed me with the anesthesia, I don't remember anything except the after.
The first time I had surgery, I was really nervous because that was my first surgery, like, for anything. But the nurses, they're so sweet. And then my second time, I had the same people do, like, everything. So it was really good.
So in my recovery process, I'm a couple weeks out from being cleared. I'll probably be cleared in the next couple of weeks or so and ready to start back playing basketball in full extent. I'm most excited for this year, chasing the state championship. We got our whole starting 5 back, and I think we're looking pretty good.
Like, we just have a full team now, and I feel like we have a really good chance.